What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a while, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on the garage and the progress and conversations we've had and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, stay tuned and check out the updates on the garage. So here's a whole space behind me. I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how it's going to be laid out, everything we've been discussing as far as furnishing the place and some updates and upgrades we want to make to it. And so yeah, check it out. So as you can see right now, this place is a complete garage, but if you guys didn't know, anybody who has questions about it, it is pretty dang big. So it's a 28 by 30 space, and this garage door here, it's going to be completely closed off, and there's going to be siding here. The entrance, what you see here, the entrance is going to be right here, and then it's going to be walking around, going to the living space. Somewhere around here, there's going to be a bedroom in this corner. I believe it's going to be a 9 by 11 corner, or a bedroom, excuse me. And then right around here in the middle, there's going to be French doors leading out to the back patio, big concrete slab. We're not sure if it's going to be a 12 by 12 or 15 by 15, but it's going to be a nice hangout spot. And then over here on this left corner, it's going to be roughly a 9 by 6 or 7 bathroom, stand-up shower, all that good stuff in there. And then over here, it's going to be a full kitchen. You're going to have a fridge, sink, oven, microwave, and then here you can kind of see where we taped off. There's going to be a kitchen island. And then over here, kind of we're thinking like a reading nook, a little bit, bookshelf, little reading chair, and then a small utility closet just to hide the electrical panel and the tankless water heater. So yeah, it is. It's coming along as far as like conversations and plans we've had. So we've been doing some 3D renderings on the outside. If you guys follow us on social media, on Facebook and Instagram at Evergreen Dwellings, you'll see the renderings on the exterior. And yeah, so let me give you a little bit of an update on conversations we've been having with GCs, the fun stuff. Everyone say hello to Max. Okay, so as mentioned, conversations, let me go this way. Conversations we've been having with some GCs. We're still getting a bunch of quotes from people. It's a little bit higher than we thought, but now that we're in it, we realize, okay, a lot of their quotes are actually valid. There's going to be plumbing work that needs to be done in this back corner for the bathroom and kitchen. A lot of electrical work. This concrete, this whole pad needs to be completely refinished. There's some cracks in it and stuff like that. And so HVAC and all the good stuff, man. So, but we've gotten back a handful of quotes. We're waiting on a couple more. And then once we get back a couple more, we're probably going to make our final decision here maybe in the next 2-3 weeks. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for following along. I know it's been a long process, even for us as well. We're getting kind of antsy to get this thing up and running. So there he is, Max. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let me show you guys where so right behind me, there's going to be French doors leading out to a big patio space, and then this is our backyard. Lots of space, lots of room for activities, if you know what I mean. Right, so if you guys take a look at some of the renderings we had right behind me, that's where we want to put our basketball court / pickleball court. Man, that's probably one of the most exciting things for me. So guys, stay tuned. We've got a lot coming up, and as we continue to have conversations and make progress with plans and all that stuff, I'm going to keep you guys updated so that you can see the entire process. I want to document this entire process not only for ourselves, but for you guys as well, for those of you supporting us and who have been loving on us and sending us encouragement. So thank you all for following along. If you don't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you don't already, please follow us along on social media at Evergreen Dwellings on Facebook and Instagram. All right, till next time, we love you guys. See ya.